How to fix Instagram not letting you share post on story. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, then you have to do is go on the share option under the post that you want to share. So there you will have an option of add post to your story. If this option is available or this person is letting you share their story on their story, then this will be good. But if this option is not available, then you can do is you can take the screenshot of the picture. As you take the screenshot, then you have to go on the story option. As you go on the story option, then you have to just create a random story by taking that picture. Now you can send this picture on to your Instagram or whatever you want. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.